Daily current affairs. News international, national, awards, sports, armed forces, etc. China has officially downgraded diplomatic ties with Lithuania after Taiwan established a de facto embassy in Vilnius. Vilnius, Lithuania's capital, is known for its Baroque architecture, seen especially in its medieval old town. Radio-collared adult tigress from the Sanjay Tiger Reserve was killed by poachers through electrocution in MP's Singrauli district. President Nayib Bukele said El Salvador plans to build the world's first Bitcoin city, powered by a volcano and financed by cryptocurrency bonds. El Salvador, officially the Republic of El Salvador, is a country in Central America. It is bordered on the northeast by Honduras, on the northwest by Guatemala, and on the south by the Pacific Ocean. El Salvador's capital and largest city is San Salvador. Lewis Hamilton won 21st November inaugural Qatar Grand Prix. Ranjan Madugle became the first match referee to officiate in 200 test matches. Defense Minister commissions stealth-guided missile destroyer in Visakhapatnam. Pratham, a civil society organization dedicated to improving the quality of education among underprivileged children in India and across the world, has been selected for the Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development for 2021. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan on 21st November announced the implementation of a police commissioner system in Bhopal and Indore. Police commissioner system will be implemented in Bhopal and Indore. This step has been taken to improve the law and order situation in both the cities, said the Chief Minister. Massive protests have erupted in port city of Gwadar against unnecessary checkpoints, a severe shortage of water and electricity, and threats to livelihoods from illegal fishing, part of a growing backlash in the country against China's multi-billion-dollar belt and road projects. The Directorate of Education on 21st November said all schools in Delhi will remain shut till further orders as the air quality in the city remained in the very poor category. However, online teaching activities and examinations for board classes would be conducted as per guidelines issued. Air Quality and Weather Bulletin for Delhi issued by the Ministry of Earth Sciences said, the relatively stronger winds are favorable for better dispersion of pollutants and the air quality is likely to improve further and remain in poor to moderate category on 22nd November and November 23rd. Responding to Prime Minister's decision to roll back the 3 farm laws, the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, that is leading the agitation, yesterday wrote an open letter to the Prime Minister, demanding a legal guarantee of remunerative minimum support price, MSP, and withdrawal of the Draft Electricity Amendment Bill, 2020-2021. The letter also says about the withdrawal of cases against thousands of farmers who have been implicated during the protest against the farm laws. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy on 21st November directed the in-charge ministers and MLAs of food-affected Chittoor, Kadapa and Nellore districts to stay in the region and monitor rehabilitation and relief operations. The swelling Chittavathi, Papagni and Penna rivers continue to pose a threat at various places in the Rayalaseema region. Hundreds of villagers on 21st November opposed setting up of integrated steel project proposed by JSW, Utkal Steel Limited led by industrialist Sajjan Jindal near port town of Paradip in Odisha's Jagtsinghpur district. The JSW Group has proposed to establish the 13.2 million ton per annum MTPA capacity plant at an estimated investment of around 55,000 crore rupees on land previously acquired for the project of the South Korean steel major, POSCO. A total of 15 ministers were sworn in yesterday as the Ashok Gehlot ministry in Rajasthan was expanded, taking the strength of the Council of Ministers to 30. The new cabinet ministers include Mamta Bhupesh, Bhajan Lal Jatav and Tikaram Jale, who were elevated from the rank of Minister of State. 2 former ministers, Vishwendra Singh and Ramesh Meena, who were sacked along with then Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot after his rebellion in 2020, made a comeback to the cabinet. The other cabinet ministers are Hemaram Chaudhary, Mahendrajit Singh Malviya, Ramlal Jat, Mahesh Joshi, Govind Ram Meghwal and Shakuntala Rawat. Thank you.